Hi folks, welcome to the adventure. I'm Florida Trailblazer. It's really great to be with you out here in this scenic wilderness, enjoying the beautiful nature today. The sun is shining, there's a nice breeze flowing through the woods here, and I'm hiking along part of the Florida Trail here. There's so many areas to explore along the Florida Trail. It goes for over 1,000 miles throughout the state of Florida, so lots of places to roam along this trail. And besides the Florida Trail here, there's many off trails, multi-use trails, unmarked trails, all sorts of areas to roam. So let's take a journey into these woods and see where nature leads us today. Exploring in the Croom Tract of Withlacoochee State Forest along parts of the Florida Trail here. And there's many miles of the Florida Trail that go through this area, and it's one of the most scenic areas on the Florida Trail to explore, in my opinion. There's a lot of rolling hills here, scenic nature, it's peaceful. I have my Florida Trail map with me, which is a really good resource when exploring these areas. And let's see, I'm in this section here of the Croom Tract with the Withlacoochee State Forest, and you can see this orange trail. This is part of the Florida Trail loop system here, and I'm currently hiking along the A loop. You can see there's a lot of quarries and old mines throughout the area. A day on the Florida Trail is a great day. It's amazing to be out here surrounded by these rolling hills, beautiful nature. Now, many people like to through hike on the Florida Trail, which is a really great experience and quite the accomplishment. And hiking the trail all in one shot. And a lot of people like to section hike along the Florida Trail. There's so many opportunities for everybody to enjoy along the trail, and that's why it was established long ago, to inspire people to get out and enjoy the nature here in Florida and see places that you may not have known existed. Some wide open spaces in these areas, beautiful prairies. Following the sun-marked trail through the woods here, off the beaten path, and I believe just a ways up here in this area of the woods it connects back into the Florida Trail. I was looking at the maps, so I wanted to explore around some of these areas. It's really nice. There's a beautiful prairie out there, and it's open, and now I'm walking through this shaded hammock here. I can see another path up here. See where that leads. It's always important to keep track of where you're going when you're exploring these areas in the wilderness. easy to get lost. So always bring a map and know where you're hiking and how to get back to where you started from. Really nice campsite here, just off the Florida Trail. Right over here is the trail, and there's a spur trail that leads to this area here. There's some benches, a fire ring, plenty of area to spread out and camp. Surrounded by beautiful woods here. Sit down, take a break. This is nice. This campsite here is indicated on the Florida Trail map. Following this forest road for a while now. See if there's any areas, these woods where I can explore off the beaten path.